If you have a child that are interested in football and hurling and they're having too much time on screens and they're locked away in their rooms, this will be a great add to your family. And when the child opens the box, they'll see a stadium like that. And rivals for years in the football was Dublin versus Mayo. It's for an All-Ireland trophy. There will be a little trophy. And that's the way you play the game. Match two teams, roll, goal dice and point dice. That's exactly what it is. And there is a knockout version. And then there's a longer version. So you can literally play the All-Ireland tournament very quickly. So that there, and then you toss this coin. This coin's a bit heavy. You toss the coin. Who's home? Well, Dublin's on the home team here. So we'll throw Dublin's dices. And that is 1 goal and 12 points to Dublin. And then, hold on, to 1 goal and 8 points to Mayo. So Dublin are through to the next round. So that's how the game is played. And trust me, kids can get a pen and a bit of paper and start adding up and talking to each other and bringing a bit of fun. This will bring fun into a family home. Because you know when kids are locked away on screens, there's no communication and they're just locked away eating unhealthy food. And they learn all about every county in Ireland. They're all colourful cards they can talk about and learn all the different counties. So their Heritage Year 2 games in a box. And that's exactly what it is there. Match Feed Ice by Farmer Joe. All take care, Farmer Joe. I'm just going to put up a little clip here how you play the quick version of Match Feed Ice. People are saying to me about board games, you know. As I said before, people locked away in their rooms. There's so many people out there, young people, suffering with depression and anxiety because their attention span is not there. I've developing three games now. The EU have a big grant given out there now to people to help young people get away from screens. And I'm working on a program at the moment, so I'm just going to show you a quick version of Match Feed Ice. Just a quick demonstration of how Match Feed Ice is played. And children will pick this up in a matter of 60 seconds. So the reason why it's called Match Feed Ice, you match two cards, two county cards. There's country cards as well. And you throw a custom dice. So I'll match two cards. I'll put Dublin and Mayo in here. Just hang on. So you toss this coin here to see who's the home team or the away team. And then the away team throws second. The home team throws first. So we're going to throw for the home team. And the home team got no goals and 10 points to Dublin. Now we'll throw for Mayo. And Mayo got no goals and 15 points. So Mayo is the winner of that. And that's a quick version. There's the rules. So that's how you play Match Feed Ice.